Two Manipur descendant political leaders declares independence of Manipur from India and formation of government in exile in Britain called the Manipur State Council. Chief Minister Nongthom Birane warns befitted legal actions against Ngarengbom Samarjit and Yambem Birane, says Imphal West Police has filed FIR against them. Titular King Laisemba Sanajoba says no discussions or agreement were made with Ngarengbom Samarjit regarding formation of government in exile. Salai Holdings Private Limited denies hands in formation of exiled government of Manipur in Britain, says a former company MD and Samarjit acted on his own. All political party teamed led by Chief Minister Nongthom Birane leaves for Delhi to meet central leaders on Naga solutions without any appointment. Over 3,000 cookies in Churachandpur take out protest rally against any threat to cookie ancestral lands by culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. And people celebrate Ningol Chakoba across the state with traditional fervor and gaiety. A very good evening to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandram presenting you the primetime English news. First of all, Impact TV would like to wish all our viewers a very happy and a prosperous Ningol Chakoba. Moving on with our bulletin, let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Two Manipuri descendant political leaders who claimed to represent titular King Laisemba Sanajoba have declared independence of Manipur from India and formation of a government in exile in Britain called the Manipur State Council. Impact News sources say that Yambem Birane, who claimed to be the Chief Minister of the Manipur State Council and founder director of Salai Holdings Group, Ngarengbom Samarjit, who claimed to be the External Affairs Minister of the Council, announced the same in a press meet held at London yesterday. Sources also said they have produced documents to show that they were granted political asylum in the United Kingdom in August 2019. It further said that after getting political asylum, the de jure government was shifted from Manipur and opened in London as of September 27, 2019, and all political and official matters of the state of Manipur is operated by the de jure government from London since launching of the exiled government. Ngarengbom Samarjit, External Affairs Minister in the self-declared Manipur State Council, said the exiled government would push for recognitions from Queen Elizabeth II of the United Kingdom and at the United Nations. Chief Minister Nongthom Birane has stated that Imphal West Police has filed an FIR against founder chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Ngarengbom Samarjit and Yambem Birane, for declaring independence of Manipur from the clutches of India and London. Speaking to media at the Chief Minister's bungalow today, Chief Minister Nongthom Birane condemned Ngarengbom Samarjit and Yambem Birane for their unconstitutional statements, and Birane asserted that a special crime branch of the Manipur police will investigate the case within a week and warned of befitted legal punishments against the miscreants. He also mentioned that the government has taken steps to hand over the case to the National Investigating Agency (NIA) for further investigation. The Chief Minister stated that he will even approach the British ambassador in India if necessary.
केस अखोई हुजिक खुदकी ओइना अखोई क्राइम ब्रांच द स्पेशल क्राइम ब्रांच स्टेट की द सिनरे अदुगा हुजिकी समर्जेसी ग मरी लेना ब माना तौरम एक्टिविटीज करी करी नो हैव दुमा अखोई विदिन वीक्स the special crime branch na madu identified find out torkanda any involvement leiramba mari leinaramba maga adum posting to ain gi matungina sarkar na kari to sige ba period tuma finding torkanda pe law torkani marak sida ikoi gi hairiba case si mapandagi operator torkana mari leina mari oibanina ikoi crime branch ki investigation details mayam se loiro matungda ikoi NIA da handover tongna ba home department gi oiba proposal koi leire.
Titular King Leisembasana Jauba clarified that no decisions and agreement were made with former chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited Ngarengbam Samarjit concerning the recent proclamation of independence of Manipur from India and formation of a government in exile in Britain. Leisembasana Jauba expressed deep shock over Samarjit's declaration, which went viral on social media. The titular king stated that those involved pleads him for permission to recover important documents and photos to ascertain the correlation of the state and the British.
Viral loiba aiga mari leinaba paw amaka hojik laibase masi tasengna ai maikidagi timasi aingona pura angakpa aduga aina sukan khangdaba aduguma paw ama aingona di ore masida sengdok cheningbasi hariba akoi chatkriba misingse makoina aingonda hairamaga chatkibadi sumnagi koi ariba British ka akoi Manipur gi marakta taunagiba ariba che sang inagiba khonagiba ariba documents mado moi thidouge mado akoi tungi akoi masak document oigani leibaki Sukanaba, Adegi, Aruba document, Mamsu, Mina Lay, Koli Harakoi, Kanabu, or Nabana. I go the way Shablay.
Leisembasana Jauba maintained that he gave a written permission to research and procure relevant relics, but he did not give assent to form the government in exile. The titular king expressed sadness over the incident.
Salam Daisida Amulaga, Mon Habasi. Ekoi chatpa tare adu chatpa sidang sagi hariba documents sing adagi photo sing kari sing si ekona piu kholu natra adu to hai matamda sai aruba pot oiramaga di natra aruba pot ne na lawga moina e madu noi karanu kari no heta pi ba yabla noi karana kamai to no haibal singbo mayam laga di madu ekoi nugai te na ekoi se ining thona tharak pani koi Manipur gi ning thona tharak pani Manipur ning thogi magi mini man is right on the chase and the palm and the lapani company, the man Hibi Anaba, who was sucked up by Hagadraki, Kanon Kakti, GM Kakti, and a mumming Jetogan E. Belay. The Nasi Boina, Adu na Taudana, Lautro Kutopose, Masima de Pora, I want the Karihani, and the Sukan Kandava, Adu, I want the Sultana of Dava, this might Tautari, see Tautari, and so Hidam Dava, but among the Samana on the way.
Salai Holdings Private Limited has denied any connection with yesterday's declaration of Manipur's independence from India and formation of exiled government of Manipur State Council by founder cum managing director of the company, Ngarengbam Samarjit. Speaking to media at Salai headquarters in Tera today, Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Ilangbam Brojendro, said that the viral video of Ngarengbam Samarjit expressing unconstitutional statement at a press meet held in London shocked the company staffs. He clarified that Samarjit did not give any prior intimation about the same to the company and its staff. Brojendro maintained that Samarjit's tour to London was personal and has no connection with the company whatsoever. Ilangbam Brojendro stated that he and the board of directors of the company held in-depth discussions and finally resolved to expel Ngarengbam Samarjit from the company for speaking against the Indian constitution. The company vice chairman urged people of the state, especially the investors, not to be apprehensive about losing their money. He added that the company and its subsidiary unit will continue to operate and contribute for the welfare of the public.
ngasi media amadi social media gi kuthangda tholakpa statement amaga mari leinana wafam khara phongdoksari madudi statement aduga Salai Holdings Private Limited amasung masiki subsidiary unit singa karigumba hiram amatada mari leinade statement asina maram oiduna salai gi founder director Mr. Narengbam Samarjit Singh asi salai gi policy program ga karigumba hiram amata da mari laine de loinana board of directors sitting and non sitting board of directors na apun bawarep logjaduna hairiba miyo asi salai gi director list ki lokthok sabagi warep registrar of company Silong Mari Lainaba Department Amadi Mari Lainaba Kuding Makta Kanganba Amasung Atu Matamda restructure Tauba Haina Yanane.
Northeast India Development Party NEIDP has permanently expelled former president of NEIDP CWC Narengbam Samarjit. Newly elected president of NEIDP Central Working Committee S. Kunja Kishore announced the same to media at his residence in Tera today. Speaking further, S. Kunja Kishore said that the party condemned Samarjit's declaration of Manipur's independence from India and formation of exiled government of Manipur State Council in Britain. He expressed shock that Samarjit, being a political leader who is set to contest elections under the Indian Constitution, made those unconstitutional statements. As Kunja Kishore disclosed that a general body meeting of the party resolved to expel N. Samarjit.
Mana Pungduk Libase, Masi, not the opinion of Northeast India Development Party Central Working Committee. It is the opinion of Sri N. Samarjit Singh. It has nothing to do with Northeast India Development Party. Sume, ma present Ubirame, Viziki Mikups the Gidi. Ma present to Ogadone. Maramasina present Ubiram Mangang Badokoi, Magi percent opinion Ubina with Timbangam Gide. Maramasina, Mana Pongdu Kunimak, Northeast India Development Party, CWC Amasung State Kakoi Karimari Lena, Dolgi, by law party constitution, Jauriba, Sakti Sinazaraga Janan body meeting Fame, Masigi Matungina City and Samarjit Singh, past president of Northeast India Development Party. He is expelled forever from Northeast India Development Party.
With possible culmination of Indo-Naga peace talk by tomorrow, a team of all political parties led by Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren left for Delhi today without any appointment to meet the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. The team, including Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, Minister Karam Shyam, state MLAs and other leaders of various political parties left Imphal in an Indigo flight at around 2:30 p.m. Speaking to media, President of Shiv Sena Manipur Unit, M. Tombi, said that the team will urge the central leaders not to let the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks harm the territorial integrity of Manipur, but that they have no obtained appointment to meet the central leaders. Expressing hope to meet the Supremos, he asserted that finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks, which is scheduled tomorrow, might be extended for another week to take time to consult with the stakeholders concerned. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar expressed hope that the trip will be fruitful.
Manipur ki leiriba tawanu political party mayam ngasi chachariba sigi magi degi matam kitang extend tawbiraga Manipur ki CSO sing Manipur ki political party sing loina na hangningba hainingba mayam dugi tanjadu pibi na ba masi mahabadu demand tawjare aduga loina na aikoi chachariba aikoi su hairibo wafam adu thamjagadobani ana tang 38 si yamna tilli haina lawjabaga loina na festival leibani na masima Yamdrabda 1 week for the extent of Winna Masima, I call Manipur Gimiam, Hochineraga, Lady political party, Punamuna Masim demand of Jere, Sisma, Nundang or Su, and the Gidi, Hayang Nundang Borsu, at any time, Akoi Madugi, Honorable Shem Yauna, Aduga, Lady Bakogi, BJP leaders in the Yauna, Akoi, appointments, Aduki Matika, Shoidan, Low Pangno Honagane.
Women wings of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO carried out a public alert rally chanting various slogans from MMWO office in Hatta till the palace compound today against any harm to the territorial integrity of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. Speaking to media, convener of MMWO Women Wing, MK Sophie, warned of an intense agitation more severe than the June 18 uprising if the Indo-Naga peace talks ever disintegrate Manipur. Imphal East police personnel halted the protesters at Palace compound and allowed only 4 representatives of MMWO Women Wing to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen.
NSNIM the government central government hayingi waroisina pistoki waroisina se akhosi am haraujai adubu Manipur gi integrity solop taragadi akhoina ngasi changsaliba khongjang asidagi hena akan ma khongjang chasalakani June 18 da thokiba thodokto adudagi hena tholoi heningai leite akhoi lamdam sida pokpane lamdam sida chaubane aduna ngasi changsaliba khongthang asida akhoi gi thawai ji potha oikhrabasu akhoi lepa leitena changsangani aduga ngasi gi Palipa government amadi ai lo lei haiba akhoi kauthorakani.
People of various communities in Jiribam carried out protest demonstration today against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur by the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. The sit-in was carried out at Guakhald in Borobekra subdivision under the age of a coordinating committee Jiribam on Manipur integrity. Speaking to media, Borobekra Gram Panchayat Pradhan Paritosh Das urged the Indian government not to play divide and rule policy as Manipur is inhabited by various communities. Various placards were used during the protest meet. Over 3,000 people in Churachandpur district have taken out a protest rally against any threat to Kuki ancestral lands by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. Kuki NP Churachandpur organized the protest rally which flagged off from the district headquarters Peace Ground till district DC office. Protesters submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the district DC after the rally. Members of Hill Tribal Council More under the initiative of Kuki NP Manipur also carried out a protest rally in More town of Teknopal district today, condemning the Indian government of carrying out divisive rules. The protesters carried out the rally chanting various slogans from the office of Hill Tribal Council More all across More town. They also submitted a memorandum addressing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the additional Deputy Commissioner of More after the rally. Members of Kuki Students Organization More, Kuki Women's Union and Human Rights More Youth Club and supported the rally. Members of Kuki Chief Association, Technopol and various civil society organizations also carried out a protest rally at Technopol district headquarters and submitted a memorandum to Technopol DC. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on recovery of huge catch of armament from a laborer of a KBS bricks firm under Patsoi police station. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. A combined team of Patsoi Police and 26th Assam Rifle has recovered huge catch of armament from a laborer of KBS bricks firm under Patsoi Police Station. The arrested person is 31-year-old Hizam Romesh, son of H. Komei from Langtabal Kunja, Hainomakong. Police reports said that the combined team acted on a reliable tip-off and raided the brick firm at around 9:30 last night and recovered 15 Chinese hand grenade, 3 9mm pistol, 1.32 pistol, 43 live bullets, 1 IED circuit and IED rumors from the miscreants. Manipur is no exception to the threat of climate change, like scanty rainfall and sudden onset of flash flood, even with a few hours of incessant rain. Impact News reporter Khetrimayum Premchand bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Manipur is not immune to the threat of climate change. The negative impact of climate change, like rise in temperature, scanty rains, and flash floods, are gradually affecting Manipur. Reckless human behaviors which harms the natural environment have brought us to this predicament. Irregular and scanty rain during this year's monsoon gripped farmers in apprehension over possible scarcity of food grains, as their paddy fields dried up with no adequate water for irrigation. People were again gripped in apprehension of suffering yet another severe flash floods like last year, when the last couple days of intermittent rains overflowed major rivers flowing in the Imphal city, inundating many households. Few hours of incessant rains few days ago overflowed major rivers of Imphal city. The overflowing river water inundated houses located by the riverbanks, leaving the residents with worries and fears of experiencing yet another severe flash floods like last year.
Hakumju amra kai gre hauji chumuka kai ningai tawduna muka tawribni ngarang nane nongchu gibdi go adu ngasi isingje hapet bajana kareba
turi ma panda lay bajing je kitang yang jalan ningi sing jaw bosi yam chahi kuding adum thum dan lay re khoi je yang ware aduga uwa yan that piba ama mataw bojana su anamba tholak pani na ai wakhanda khanjai.
Deforestation at the river sources remains to be the main culprit behind such sudden rise of river water level even during few hours of incessant rains.
aduga loina yam hen important oi ba koi maru ba turen jing je koi Manipur gi cheli ba Imphal turen irin turen Nambu turen si cheli ba si a khor pham oi ba koi catchment area sing je masi solo put de ko masina impact si khra hena leibra hin khalle mandi koi gi uwa masi ma yam ma thajim ba matam na jing jina maru kok na yam da greenery aseng ba forest ki phibam de leba matam na nong targa su moina masina chup marasing chupsim ba kochim ma ma tawba tawrga koi gi chendra ko mudra chendra ba ki parte thingngwe dawne adna hoji ti maru ko labani na mathak dagi koi gi nong ka da ta matam da ma gi loina koi gi lepak mathak ta ba koi yam important oi ba soil sing ji yaw na chendra ga siltation thoe adna turengi ko tore khunung sing thengalak ba aduga loina na sa gi thengalami na sa nong ji ka da ta ba matam da full drain do ngam na pathola ga ma da isaw thopa.
People have started taking various measures like planting of tree saplings to protect the environment in the wake of such threats posed by climate change. It would be prudent to raise more mass awareness about deforestation and its negative impacts to people, especially to those living in the far-flung interior, hilly regions of the state. It would even be better if the government could provide an alternative means of livelihood to those who depend their livelihood on timber business. With input from Impact News reporter Khetrimayum Premchand, this is Joyce Usham, Impact News, Imphal.
Welcome back. Family members of a former family welfare officer of Vishnupur district, late Dr. Shyam Kumar Pukhrambam, donated various items as Ningol Chakoba gifts to Glory Children Home and Adoption Center Home in Thamnapokpi today. 2 rice bags each for the homes, 54 tracksuits and financial aids were handed over to Secretary of New Life Foundation Eld Pisak, who look after the homes. People celebrated Hyanggai Nini Panba Ningol Chakoba with traditional fervor and gaiety across the state today. On this day, married women of Manipur go to their parental homes for a feast and receive gifts from their parents and brothers. In short, this festival rejuvenates the bond of love among the siblings and other family members. Fish was the main course for the meal today, while chicken was also prepared in some households. Other Manipuri dishes like iromba, utti, singju were part of the course. Few women did not go to their parental homes on the occasion due to deaths in the family. The main visuals of the festivals were the traditional luncheon accompanied with chit-chat. Brothers and sisters feast together, and after the feast, brother presented gifts to their sisters. Some married daughters planted tree sapling at their parental homes to save the environment and to combat climate change to some extent on the occasion. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Two Manipur dissident political leaders declares independence of Manipur from India, and formation of government in exile in Britain called the Manipur State Council. Chief Minister N. Biren warns defeated legal actions against Narengbam Samarjit and Yambem Biren, says Imphal West Police has filed FIR against them. Titular King Lesim Basana Jauba says no decisions or agreements were made with Narengbam Samarjit regarding formation of government in exile. Salai Holdings Private Limited denies hand information of exiled government of Manipur in Britain, says the former company MD, and Samarjit acted on his own. An all political party team led by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren leaves for Delhi to meet central leaders on Naga solutions without any appointment. Over 3,000 cookies in Churachandpur take out protest rally against any threat to cookie ancestral lands by culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks. And people celebrate Ningol Chakoba across the state with traditional fervor and gaiety.